Thanks for tuning in. Today we are fixing a water leak. So I've taken the hoses off of the shut-off valves and moved the washer out of the way. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to shut off the water so that we don't get water everywhere and flood our house. After we do that, we're going to go ahead and cut these things off, and we're going to put on some brand new Shark Bite shut-off valves. So the easiest way for me to get in here and cut these off is going to be with my tool here, and I bought a special blade to go on the front. This is a metal blade, so this will cut right through this copper pipe. Now I'm going to give these a little clean. Now the pipes are clean, we're going to take our Shark Bite shut-off valves. These things are really nice. There's no soldering involved. There's no screwing or tools involved. You simply just slip it over the pipe. Once you stick it in, you can't pull it back off without a special release tool, and they're not supposed to leak. So we're going to slip these on and try them out. And just like that, our leaky faucets are replaced. There's always something going on the homestead, whether it's gardening or the animals or projects or repairs. This is a simple, easy way to fix a leaky shutoff valve. Now we're just gonna reattach our hoses from the washer, plug the machine back up, put it back in its place, turn the water on, and we'll be good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this short but helpful video. Go ahead and subscribe so that you guys can see other things that are coming up in the future. Like, and then shoot me a comment and tell me what you thought about the video. Thanks again. This is Jason with the Humble Beginnings Homestead.